Bye. Have a beautiful time.
Sir, your PGN is fake.
No, it's a real one.
Since you are not taking this seriously, I'm going to have to use the birds to wipe you out and flush down the toilet.
Too much birds. You're going to make our video crash. Oh crap, the video is gonna crash.
Wait, what's that noise? Oh my god, my PC!